Welcome! The Eldorado SELPAs have created this quick video tutorial to address commonly asked questions. Following the tutorial, we encourage you to explore our professional learning catalog by scanning the QR code at the bottom of the screen. Let's get started.
Providers and case managers must complete the student change form or add student form to request the DLU to complete particular permission-based actions in SEIS. When requesting a change to an existing SEIS record, you will submit the student change form. From the Students tab on the navigation bar, select Student Change Form. Select the student record from the drop-down box. Select the request type from the drop-down box. Exit the student from special education, and student has moved to another district and/or SELPA will require an exit date and an exit reason code. Not all LEAs use the change form to schedule IEP meetings. Check with your administrator as to your LEA's process. Request a service provider change will require you to select Add, Remove, or Change Case Managers. All selections have a comment box to add additional information. Once fields are populated, click the green Submit Request button. When requesting your DLU create a new SEIS record or search for an existing record, you will submit the Add Student form. From the Students tab on the navigation bar, select Add Student Form. All fields with a red asterisk must be populated. If you can access the SSID number in your student information system, please populate this, as there are many errors when working with student names. If you are requesting a record because a student has transferred to you with an active IEP from a non-SEIS district or out of state, check the box. Click the Submit button.
Thank you for learning with us. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. On behalf of the Eldorado SELPAs, thank you for everything you do to improve the outcomes of students with disabilities.